back again. Okay, Charlie is not around because Charlie likes to sing. Alright, now, just now we learned new sounds, right? Okay, the D and the E letter. What's the D letter sound? Do you know? Can you remember? Okay, D for D. Yes, D. 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 Alright, and what is the E letter sound? Air, air, air. Okay, D for the, E for air. Okay, previously you have learned other sounds like A for air, B for bird, and C for car. So today you learn another two letter sound, D and E, D and air. Okay, air, bird, car, the air. Alright, now just look at this pictures over here. Okay, these are, I think so you can identify what are the pictures is. Okay, and here are the beginning sounds of the pictures. Okay, let's look at this. What is this? It's a desk. There. D for desk. Okay, put the desk over here. Desk. See the beginning sound here? Desk. Okay, what's this? Chocolate. It's an elephant. Elephant. E for elephant. Look at this. Yes. You see the beginning sound? The beginning sound is the first sound. The first letter that you write here in a word. E. E for elephant. And what is this? Mommy, I'm sleepy. I'm going to bed. Bat. B for bed. See? Look at this. It's a beginning sound. B for bed. What's this? Oh, I like this for my present, for my birthday present. It's a what? It's a doll. D for doll. Doll. It's a beginning sound. What's the beginning sound? It's the first letter that you write in the word. D. D for doll. Alright? Doll. And what's this? Mommy, I'm going to bed. I'm going to school. What's this? It's a bag. Bag. Give me my bag. Bag. Yeah, this B for bag. Okay, what's this? Meow. It's a cat. It's a cat. C for cat. See? It's the first sound of this. C for cat. And what's this girl doing? She is digging. D for dig. D for dig. Alright. D for dig. Oh, what is this? Who wears this? Yes, the baby wears this. Bib. B. B for bib. Bib. Yes. What's this? It's an arrow. Arrow. F for arrow. Yes, arrow. A. See? A for arrow. Woof, woof. It's a dog. D for dog. See? It's the first letter sound. Beginning sound. First letter sound. See? You know what the beginning sound is? The letter that you write at the beginning. What's this? It's a cot. C for cot. C. Beginning sound. Cot. And what's this? It's an envelope. See? No, it's an elbow. Sorry, it's an elbow. E for elbow. E for elbow. The first letter. Elbow. Okay? And what is this? It's an envelope where you put your letters in. E for envelope. Look at this. E, the beginning sound. And this is A for ant. A for ant. Alright? A for ant is the ant. See? A for ant, the beginning sound. And what we have here is the elk. Elk. E for elk. So we're going to put it over here. It's an elk. Alright? E for elk. Okay, now look at this. D for desk, E for elephant, B for bed. Say again. D for doll. What's this? This is bag. And what's this? It's a cat. What's this? Pig. Good. What's this? Baby bear's bib. What's this? Tell me, what's this? Arrow. And what is this? Dog. And what is this? You sleep in here? No? Yes? Yes, it's a cord. And what is this? It's an ark. And what is this? Where's your elbow? Show me your elbow. Where's your elbow? Where's your elbow? Elbow. And what is this? Envelope. Okay? You ask your papa. Papa will show you what the envelope is. Envelope. And what is this? Ant. Do you like ants? It could be crawly ant. This is ant. Okay? Now, let's go to the after this I'm going to teach you